Are you ready to shed those extra pounds and feel best again? Look no further than this delicious and refreshing apple cider vinegar weight loss drink recipe, packed with metabolism boosting ingredients like cinnamon and lime juice. This drink is the perfect addition to your weight loss journey. So grab your ingredients and let's get sipping. This apple cider vinegar weight loss drink recipe is a delicious and refreshing way to help you achieve your weight loss goals. To make this drink, you will need a few simple ingredients that you may already have in your kitchen. First, you will need unfiltered and raw apple cider vinegar, which is known for its many health benefits. Next, you will need cups of warm or room temperature water, which will help to dilute the apple cider vinegar and make it easier to drink. To sweeten the drink, you will need honey, which is a natural sweetener that also has health benefit. You will also need lime juice. In a glass, preferably a tall one, begin by adding 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is known for its various health benefits, including aiding digestion and promoting weight loss. Next, pour 2 cups of warm or room temperature water into the glass. The temperature of the water is a matter of personal preference. Some people enjoy it warm, especially in the colder months, while others prefer it at room temperature. To sweeten the drink, add 2 tablespoons of honey. Honey not only adds a touch of natural sweetness, but also complements the tanginess of the apple cider vinegar. Stir the mixture well until the honey fully dissolves. Now it's time to add some zesty flavor. Squeeze the juice of a lemon into the glass. Lemon juice adds a refreshing citrusy taste and also provides a dose of vitamin C. For an extra dash of warmth and flavor, sprinkle in a pinch of cinnamon. Cinnamon pairs beautifully with the apple cider vinegar and honey, creating a delightful blend of taste. Stir the mixture thoroughly, ensuring that all the ingredients are well combined. This step ensures that the flavors are evenly distributed throughout the drink. Prepare a separate glass and fill it with ice cubes. The ice cubes will help cool down the drink and provide a refreshing chill. Carefully pour the prepared apple cider vinegar drink over the ice cubes, filling the glass. The cold temperature of the ice will help keep the drink cool and enjoyable. Give the glass a gentle stir to further cool down the drink and ensure that the flavors mingle together. Finally, it's time to indulge in the tangy and invigorating benefits of the apple cider vinegar drink. This perfect apple cider vinegar drink recipe is a game changer for anyone looking to lose weight and improve their overall health. By incorporating this drink into your daily routine, you can enjoy a delicious and refreshing beverage while also reaping the benefits of apple cider vinegar. This recipe is easy to make and packed with nutrients that can boost your metabolism and help you achieve your fitness goals. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. And don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family who are also looking to lose weight and improve their health. Cheers to a healthier you. While the apple cider vinegar drink can be part of a healthy lifestyle, it's important to listen to your body and be mindful of any individual dietary restrictions or allergies. Apple cider vinegar is highly acidic, so it's recommended to consume it in moderation or dilute it with water. If you have specific health concerns or are on medications, it's always advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or consuming new ingredients.